How to turn on or turn off auto brightness on Samsung phone. So if your Samsung phone screen brightness adjusts itself automatically, and this is one thing you hate so much and I want to turn it off, then here's a quick workaround. If you found this up and informative at the end, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn on or turn off auto brightness on Samsung Galaxy phone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On settings, scroll down and click on display. Come to where you see adaptive brightness, click on it. If that is turned on, that is going to automatically adjust the screen brightness on Samsung Galaxy phone each time you move away from the light. So, and if you bring it back to the light, it's going to adjust the screen brightness. If you scroll down the control center, and then you press and hold your screen brightness, and then that's it. So with this, your screen brightness is going to be adjusted automatically. If you want to turn this off, just turn off adaptive brightness, and then you are good. So this is going to work with your own basic settings to use your Samsung phone screen brightness. So that's exactly how to turn on or turn off auto brightness on Samsung Galaxy phones. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.